It is still hard to conceive the fact that Victor Gamedze has passed on. His family has been left in a state of hopelessness. None of the members of Gamedze's family would have thought that 15 days into the new year, they will gather in his home in Dalrich to plan his funeral. According to Lukongolweni Member of Parliament and Gamedze's half-brother Joseph Swazi, his memorial service will be held at the Prince of Wales on Saturday. He will be laid to rest on Sunday at Kalanga.
Lapha nje mfowethu sihlangane malungiselelo walejala kithi ukuthi siyombeka kanjani lapha ephumula khona. Saturday na 11 o'clock okutabane memorial services at Prince of Wales. Bese ke kuyasuka entsambama ke sokuyozinzima ekhaya esiteka la eKhalanga.
Some of the mourners we found at Gamedze's home in Dalrich include the pastors Kumbuzo Shongwe, who said everyone who has been touched by Gamedze's demise can only find solace in the word of God.
Lencwadi lapha komshumayeli 3 verse number 1 isikonke nesikhathi sakho. Sekuthi nje besingacabanga ukuthi mfitha ngashiya ngalohlobo leli endlela afe ngayo akusimvo lengithanzile. Ngibhlungu kakhulu empilweni yami kangoba ukuthi angathi ukuthi ngingathini esiveni but ngisho nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu uneliplan. Sathi ukuthi uNkulunkulu abaconse kwendalo but sibonga konke kuvela kuye kusho noma kubi konke kuvela kuye.
Indeed, the word of God says we must give thanks in everything. For Swazi TV News, I'm Dinton Kule with General Gang, Dalrich Mbabane.